Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you the, I guess what you'd call was an underleg pass. Probably the simplest move you'll learn here. Basically, it's simple. All you do is hit your leg right here. You just do this. Yeah. But we're going to add on to it just a little bit, okay? What you do from here is when you get under right here, you're gonna reach under and grab, and then other side. Fairly simple. Just do this. You'll probably do this in a couple minutes. Be careful of what you hit down here. Okay, you don't want to hit anything. Just do this, and that's it. You got it. Just be careful where you could hit, and also be careful if the chain wraps around your thigh, it could pinch you, it hurts. Okay. With that as it, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.